It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Those courgettes, I shredded them yesterday. Excuse me. I shredded them yesterday, and today I've added salt to them, touch of salt, to help draw out some of the moisture. I've already used these with cucumber. I've just rinsed them out, and I'm going to squeeze it and then put it in there. Hopefully it'll drip some more liquid, because my colander isn't quite big enough. Let's see, a lot of liquid. Right, and we'll leave that to just drain a little bit more while I explain this. One of my treat time things is this, which is, it's a 3-in-1. You change the plates on it. Well, now you can put the plates in that make paninis. You can change the plates to make a toasted sandwich, or you can put these plates in to make waffles. And I do like things that do more than one thing. So that's them back in. Now we need to put this on to warm, but I'll do that in a moment after I've got the batter ready for the waffles. Now I'm using normal self-raising flour, and I want about 2 cups worth of self-raising flour. So here's my measure. Well, that's 1 heaped one. So that's about 2 altogether. I also need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is soft brown sugar I'm using. That's about 2. And I don't really need it because I'm using self-raising flour, but if you're using plain, add some baking powder. I don't know normally because I use self-raising flour, but there's half a teaspoon. If you're not using self-raising flour, you could put a teaspoon. Next, I'll be adding about a heaped teaspoon of cinnamon, about 1/3 of a cup of oil. You can add butter if you want, but on this occasion I'm using oil. Two beaten eggs. Teaspoon of salt. Vanilla essence. well, vanilla extract rather. Yeah, vanilla extract. And I'm out of that, so I'm adding what I've got left in my container. And next is one and a half cups of milk. 1 and a half, thereabouts. Get me whisk. And mix it all together. And that's a little bit on the thick side, so possibly another 1/4 cup of milk. Now let's make that another 1/4 cup, so that's 2 cups of milk altogether, because we've got the courgette zucchini to go next, because there's everything else done, and this has still been dripping, so I'm going to press it some more, get some more liquid out of it. I shouldn't have added as much salt because there's some salt on it. Never mind. And I should say that's a good 2 full cups of courgette zucchinis. That's it. Let's get my 1/4 cup measurement, because I'll be needing that. And I put me waffle maker on to heat up now. So my waffle machine is now heated up, and I've lost in it, never mind. And for my machine it says add 1/4 cup to each one. You can spray it with oil before you put them in, but I'll now close it up and see how it does. Leave it for whatever time your machine says. These have had 5 minutes, which is what my instruction manual says it normally takes, and there it is. It's puffed up around the sides, but not in the middle on that one. And because these plates are metal, it doesn't want you to harm them at all by using like a metal knife to get them out. So you get them out with a wooden spatula and do it again. And spread it more this time. And put a touch more in each one. put it down. And again, it's a slow process, but if you're doing other things in the kitchen, it's all right. And these two, Lurch has already said he wants, so I'll take him these. I carried on for a while. Both me and Lurch have had some of the waffles to eat, but I've got some mixture left, so there it is. I'm putting that in the fridge and I can cook that up tomorrow. These, on the other hand, I'm going to put in one of my silicone bags and put them in the freezer. And when we want waffles, I can just pull them out. If I know that I need them the day before, I'll pull them out and let them defrost. If not, it's easy to defrost them in the microwave and then toast them up, and they're really nice toasted up. And with them having the courgette zucchini in them, that's a lot of extra nutrients and vitamins and all the rest, and it's homegrown produce. So that's what I'm into at the moment. So there they all are. We'll have fresh ones tomorrow, and these will go in the freezer. And I do like these bags. I like them that much. I've ordered more of them. And they seal extremely well. Even Lurch likes them. So, thank you. Bye.
It's a